Once again, viewers, I am Professor Francis Nnamdi Kwebu from this Department of Fine and Applied Arts, Imo State University, Owerri, Faculty of Environmental Sciences. This is our sculpture unit as part of the Departmental Fine and Applied Arts Department. This is the sculpture studio. As you can see what is going on here, you can see the ingenuity of my students working in the studio. They've actually, over the years, developed that studio habit of always staying around and within the studio to try out their hands and creativity in so many forms of art. You can see this is, if you look at this material now, it's not common. The student has to look out for cow horns from the abattoir in order to get its materials. And you can see he's trying to build a buffalo. And this buffalo, as you can see, the making is very dear to the Igbo man. It shows strength. It's one of the royal and prestigious animal of the Igbo man. They call it Ato. Some people call the buffalo Ato. And that's why in Igbo land, some people, they answer Isi Ato, showing that the buffalo head means Isi Ato, showing that with that head, the buffalo can do wonders, can make exploits. Even when confronted with other predators in the forest, the buffalo always uses horn and strength to show that it's a rugged and ferocious and powerful beast or animal. So, as you can see, as I told you, the buffalo is dear to the Igbo man. That's why in this sculpture, Okechukwu Amadi by name is trying to build the buffalo, trying to exploit from the skeletal, the carcass of a cow. Because you know, buffaloes, because of poaching, it's really difficult to get buffaloes around. So you see, within the same family, they're trying to use the carcass, the bone from the cow, in order to use it as the material for expression of this very particular form, our animal, which is called buffalo, known as Ato in Igbo land. So you see, as you can see, the work is still in the making. You look at, these are some of the students working in the studio. You can turn and look at our visitor. What's your name? Tell him your name.
My name is Chigwes Nkonkwo. 400 level student of Fine Applied Department.
Imo State
University.
Working on
Holy Family.
Holy Family. Okay. You can see the work is still going on. So students try their hands in different aspects in order to see how some of these things will come out. Then can you introduce yourself?
My name is Okura Darlington Namdi. I'm a 400 level student of Imo State University, and I'm working on mass code.
You see, the human score, that's where they begin, because it's going to cast this with a special recipe in order to show, as it's difficult at times. I would tell them to be creative on their own instead of waiting for a real human skeleton. They can make, this is the clay work. From this now, he will transform it using Sepadio method in order to come out with the fiber marble recipe with other ingredients to come out with a better end use of this very material, because this clay will later be recycled back into the clay bin. So you can see this is a clay work. It's going to do the casting and coupling, and before the finishing will take place.